Hi friends, I'm Parkshit from Kids Fun Lung Club and we are going to draw a grasshopper.
Let's start drawing. It's gonna be a little difficult drawing.
Very difficult.
And Parikshit is scared about it. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So we start with something. A part that is the most easiest one over here.
Your eyes.
No. Small, okay?
What is it? The face? Papa?
Just follow me.
Wait. Your.
Then we make the head.
No, the face, right?
Yeah. Eyes.
Why are you leaving some space?
For
the legs.
For the legs.
Let me see, Papa.
Okay.
Just like the ant.
Yeah.
It has claws. It's not looking like a grasshopper, no.
It will look like once we finish the drawing.
Yeah, we have not started also.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting a little confused in this.
Yeah, it will be a little confusing one.
What's the matter?
Let's keep drawing it step by step and it will look like easy.
See, this is like a little confusing, but
okay. Now, the next one would be okay.
What is it? I can't understand.
Just make it
I can't understand.
over here.
So what do I draw the line?
We will draw the legs.
Like this, Papa. See, like this.
Yeah.
I'm not getting a little bit. Oh, wait. Wait. Like this. Like this. Like this. Papa, I have no space to draw other things.
It will come. Just keep drawing, it will happen. Wait.
Now I am getting it. I got confused.
Continue.
Wait. Okay. Wait. Let me see. Like this. And like this.
Now, move a little that side. Yes. Now, we make a straight line. Okay, not line. Let's not make a straight line. Wait. From here, this, and from here.
Wait. From line this and from here like this.
Okay. Then the next one.
Can I see a little bit? Like this. Why did you leave them?
I thought we might be having to leave them.
Oh, to draw this?
Yeah, but we did not need it. And the grasshopper drawing is done. Let me finish yours. It's gonna be a very easy one.
You're trying to make me do the difficult parts, yeah?
Yes.
And not the easy parts.
No.
Why? Why, Papa?
So that you learn.
To do only difficult.
Yes.
If you love this video, do like and subscribe my channel to see more of these.
But have they seen a grasshopper ever?
No,
Have you seen?
I never seen.
No? Okay. So let's move on to the next drawing. Have a good
Yeah.
day.